Guys, I actually went outside. Nature is so awesome. Right, Jamie?
Yeah.
I can't even see you.
I know, me neither. Yeah, yeah, I know, nature's beautiful. You can do a lot of stuff at nature. Okay,
Nature
kill
is
some
awesome.
animals, yeah! Eat the meat, some pig, some cow, some beef, some pork, some cheese.
But
There's no cheese in there.
Randy Orton!
Parkour!
Dude, I can't believe, dude, nature is so hot.
No.
What? No, this is not the kind of hot I meant. What's wrong with you?
Your mama.
Man, you're stupid. I'm the black.
Why do you always gotta make stuff inappropriate for it?
How am I making stuff in? Oh yeah.
Oh, Kevin, this guy.
Oh yeah. Let's play some soccer. We're not playing no soccer. What's wrong with you?
What's that?
The nature's so hot. We'll be back in about 5 hours to see how hot it is outside. We were back. It's been 5 hours. It's so hot out here. Nature's dangerous. My cousins passed out. Look, let me show you. They passed out. I think I should drag them in. Jamie's too fat, so I'm not gonna do it. Jamie's fat.
What the fuck?
Mean it.
Oh, you're black!
I didn't mean it. I come back over here. I'm sorry, dude. I didn't mean it.
I'm going back to my house.
Guys, in the natural habitat of the squirrels, which they live in the roof over there. Let me show you. The roof, as you see. What the heck? Yeah, they come up from the corner. I mean, it's not my house. I went backyard hunting. In the natural habitat of the Jamie, he is being weird as always.
Guys, I found a weird guy called Adrian. He pissing right now on the little bottle where we found, you know, all those bottles and the trash. And I'm gonna have to do this. I'm sorry, Adrian. This is for nature. There he is. That wilderness little boy. Feel bad for that ugly guy, right? Alright. Poor old guy. Oh my gosh! What kind of nature is this? Why nature? Why? Adrian?
What the heck?
Oh no. Why nature?
This is how much I have left. I'm gonna save this for later. We have to do what's right for nature, guys. I mean, it is pretty warm right now.
What? Nature?
Nature is bad.
This is a haunted house. We should leave now. Come on, come on. What's right?
This is just apple juice, guys. I mean,
Oh,
it wouldn't be that yellow,
Look like
right?
pickle juice.
It
You know what I mean?
Oh my gosh.
Nature. Why?
I think we're ready to go back home. Nature is terrible. Nature is terrible. Don't say your mama. You're not gonna see her for a long time. Oh, see. Nature is terrible, guys. I forgot to tell you. Look what we built. We are building masters, and we now live. Let me show you. Right there.
We live there for a house, but we put a lock. That way people will steal our good drinks. You know what I mean? Not piss. Okay, it's apple juice. Or is it? Here's our hiding spot where we, you know, fish. This is where we take a, you know what I mean? Take a, and this is where your piss, you know, you see water staying there. It's not pee, it's juice.
Alright guys, I'm going to show you what the passcode is. You see right here. The password is 0, 21,
21,
17,
17,
38.
38.
And that's the password.
Here, Mom.
Actually, this is just how you find our passcodes.
And then open.
What if it actually worked, dude?
Who knows? I don't need all the password. That we're too.
Oh my gosh! It's haunted. Do you see that?
Oh my gosh. Nature, help us!
12 hours later. By the way, we're gonna die there. Just saying. I didn't mean to spoil it. All right. I found him hallucinating. We're not in a dance party.
Calm down, Kiki Wiki.
We're not in the desert. I know it's hot. I know.
Dog out, Kiki Wiki.
I think this is it, guys. My last video. I'm stealing the neighbor's internet. That's why. Wait, I got 4G on an iPad. When I upload this video, I'm gonna be dead. When.
Oh, friend, I just want to say I love you in the friend way.
I've been here for 30 minutes. That's the end of Jamie and Adrian. And me. What are you talking about? What's wrong with you?
Yeah.
And here's a sneak peek of part 2. I can't believe listeners. Oh my gosh. Dude, we're gonna die. We actually got out of that place. Oh my gosh. Nature, go with us.
Where are we?
What are you gonna do, guys?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh crap, there's a reindeer! Guys, please. Revival. You gonna get wood? Please.
But Minecraft style. Dun.
He got a piece of wood. He got
100 more to go.
You throw it away. Come on, we gotta go. And that was the sneak peek, guys. I don't know how we still lived. But we decided to do a part 2.
But let's see if we're gonna turn super crazy.
The apocalypse.
Oh, you're finally in that video.
That's it, guys. I'm dying of exhaustion.